Hey girl, it's your song. Let's see that, but don't. I'ma try to do the thing you know. Baby, it's your party, I just wanna play. What's that sound? What's that thing that's got me like wow? I'm tryna be beat up real right. That body, I just gotta say. When you back it up and you drop it down low. When you pick it up, girl, I'm ready to blow. I'ma stack it up and I'm spinning it.
Nakukuha yung mga parang forest.
Oh.
Taglit.
It's always a good time. It's always a good time.
Woke up on the right side of the bed. What's up with this Prince song inside my head? Hands up if you're down to get down tonight, 'cause it's always a good time. Slept in all my clothes like I didn't care. Hopped into a cab, take me anywhere. I'm in if you're down to get down tonight, 'cause it's always a good time.
Good morning and good night.
Hi! Sabay sa planner na. Pag silang
We love golden chains, we love diamond rings. We could always gain them designer things. Versace, Prada, Rolex or Mercedes-Benz. The grind will never end. Oh, got my eyes on the prize, but it won't mean much without you by my side. Yeah, we all fantasize about our cash going up, but your love ain't got a price. With you, I'm tryna kick it. With you, I wanna kick it. 'Cause you turn up my spirit. Let's take the script and flip it. Flip this thing up.
Ah? Yung? Hindi. Naka-video pa rin ito. Ah? Sige.
kabayan na, kuya. Kabayan na, kuya.
Oo.
Ang kulit. Ang kulit. Ang kulit. Ang kulit.
Tayong mga Pinoy ang hihilig sa mga yugyugan. Makarinig lang ng bayon at kangiti parang Pasko na naman. Etong si bebe ko, ang gumiling nakasmile pa ewan. Alay-alembong sumayaw, ang akala mo'y kinukulang.
Ang kulit.
Nang giling-giling,
Ang kulit.
nang giling-giling,
Ang kulit.
sarap ng feeling,
Ang kulit.
sarap ng feeling.
Ang kulit.
Nang giling-giling, ni bebe ko.
Ang kulit.
Nang giling-giling,
Ang kulit.
nang giling-giling,
Ang kulit.
sarap ng feeling, sarap ng feeling. Nang giling-giling, ni bebe ko.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now?